What is up, guys? It's Nick B here, and today we're trading live. This is the lowest we've had the account in for a long time. Nonetheless, let's get right into this and let's go. Oh wait, I keep doing the music on accident. Oh dang it. There we are. Alright, so we've been on this strong uptrend all day. That's something to consider. And also, there's the potential side of people trying to correct the market. These bars are moving extraordinarily fast. Yes. Oh yeah, I got a new mug too, by the way. Playing some Minecraft with Nate once again. Well, he's sleeping, but same server. I gotta swing low first entry. I do like that better than the swing high first entry. Second entry. I don't think there's a double top here yet. I think people are still trying to go long. We could be finding some resistance for an overall downtrend. Finding sort of a triple top here. Here it is if we bounce here. Alright, it's going to keep pushing up here. I think overall trend is just going to be up. Or could be down actually. 1, 2, 3, double top. Morning spike was already. This is 8:30. Hello? Whoa. This could be a 20% in here, boys. We could do a ton of minimization here by doing a limit order instead. There it is. Let's just get a better entry here. Where we minimize our losses. As much as possible. Saved ourselves a couple ticks at least. Because that is risky business picking the top there. Yeah. Come on, baby. There you go. There you go. Alright, we're gonna go break even here. Actually, no, we should leave it. Because our scalp is actually down here somewhere, right? Couple ticks slower. We may move it to this high though. Nice. Good scalp. Let's go. Good read. We got a swing low first entry, second entry. I'm going for non-obvious buy, but our stop would have been right there. It's just not the greatest setup, especially since it's just a wick. Could just be lower congestion. Alright, so whether to not go with the minute chart for the double bottom, it's not showing here like a double bottom. It is showing support though, so maybe it is overall uptrend. Probably go for a little bit more minimization. It is like a triple bottom on the tick chart. That's why I like it a little bit more, to basically correct this entire move here. Even though you're just working your way up there. So oh, come on. There you go. There you go. Big push, big push. Come on, you can do it. Oh. If we get this scalp here, we'll be done for today because I gotta go and do some errands with my honey bun. So please give me this scalp. Pretty sure we're right about this. Could be a 20%er if we're wrong. Let's go for the big stop here. Actually, I think I like this minimization. Even better minimization here, especially if we push at least to here. Yep. And we'll just stick right here for a nice break even. Okay, coming a little bit too fast. Come on, you can push down. We'll take a small L here. Actually, he's pushing up pretty fast. I might just keep going. Yeah, we'll skip out here. Let's see, was that good minimization or not? Alright, good minimization if we left our stop here for sure. Would be good minimization if we left our stop here. Oof. Yeah, that was our signal bar. We should have just left the stop there. Go for a buy here. You push back below this low. It's not really a double bottom. Maybe we can still get in this. Who knows? Pretty sure that's the wrong spot. There it is. Alright. Can we get some minimization? No minimization here. I'm worried that this is a double bottom here. And people might be trying to correct it. Alright, well, we're in the trade nonetheless. For me, it pushed down a little bit too far to be a double bottom. You kind of had support here and you kind of break it. So that's what I'm seeing. If we get really close to here, we might put our stop below this low instead of this low. But we'll take the full L nonetheless here. Probably save ourselves one tick. No, actually we'll leave it there because we have seen before where it comes like one tick before and it reverses and we get the scalp. Like, actually, I think one of our trading days were called God's watching over us on those trades, and that literally happens. Like we set 8 points, or 8 points and 12 points for a reason here. Ton of trial, not a ton of trial and error, but we did a bunch of trial and error in the most part. Ooh, it's coming hard for us. There it is. The stop out. It looks like it was a double bottom. Interestingly enough. Weirdly enough, actually. Could be a 20%er here. I thought we were right. For sure. Man. This one, man, we should have left our stop up there. What the hell, dude? Sheesh, okay. Yeah. Looks like people try to catch that double bottom and it just spiked down low. Could be getting a second entry here on the swing high. First entry. Man, if only this one. This one I think is 20%er nonetheless. It's weird that this was a double bottom. Wait a minute, I just realized something. Oh my god, hold on. Is that why we couldn't see double bottom here? We're on the wrong thing here. We switched to 1221. Oh god. It's more congested looking. I guess we could be seen as a test here because it closes right there as well. And this is also gotta be changed. Oh boy. Okay, got a swing high first entry. I think overall trend is just down. This could be a 20%er. Yeah. Alright, kind of has to trigger here. Otherwise, this is just gonna be like a weird double top thing. Alright, and there it is. See if we can at least come back a little bit. A little better entry. I'm worried that it might double bottom here. Oh god, that was fast. Damn. Sheesh. Damn. No. Swing high first entry, second entry. Getting a little bit of support here. Overall trend could be up and go for the non-obvious sell at 25 here. Or it could be down. There's a lot of support there too. I think this trend line looks correct. We're in the trade nonetheless, so good god. This could be a bad setup. Swing high first entry, second entry, overall trend. Looks to be down. You have lows that keep pushing lower. And it's not really support level that's shown on the minute chart here. Also, it's a trend line. So, yeah, pretty decent trend line. So you're bouncing off that low. I would just consider this low probably. Is this too flat of a trend line? Could be. Let's go for max minimization here. Yeah, we'll just treat it as such. Nice. Okay. Fair enough. Alright, finally, swing high first entry. Decent looking one. I think we'll go ahead and take it. Oh boy. Looks like enough support to declare an overall uptrend. Also a downtrend as well. You have been on a downtrend as well all day. So, I think we might actually go for a buy here. Maybe people are trying to correct the entire thing though. It's kind of difficult to say. Oh, is it finding support? It's not. I think people might actually try and go for the downtrend here. Let's go for the buy. See if we can get back in this. You know, I think I like to sell a little bit better. Did we sell at the wrong spot? I think we did. Most definitely sold at the wrong spot. Okay, this is definitely the last trade of the day if we get stopped out. Bad. If it pushes here, we might scalp out. Entry was supposed to be 1 point higher, 2 points higher actually. So. NT. Alright, that's it for today, boys. Actually, we could keep going. We have a swing. No swing low. So overall trend is just down there. I'll go for the buy. Stop would have been here either way, doesn't matter. Swing high first entry. You do have the overall, the entire day on the down direction. You have a good level of resistance, good amount of support. This low is way down here, that high is way up there. Then you have this like congestion area. So overall trend is down, go for that buy. Kind of a swing high first entry. Second entry would have to trigger here. And it looks like it's just going to be an overall uptrend here. Psychology based, kind of could be like a triple top sort of thing going on. There's the trigger if you were buying. It just doesn't have as much resistance as the other side, the opposing side. At least for me. But that push down could have changed a lot of people's mind, and they could all be selling as well here. And we're in the trade. Stop goes here. Good minimization. Alright, well, looks like it was an overall downtrend. Could be like a triple top with a good amount of resistance. Your entire day is on the downside, so go for the buy. It's kind of a weird one though, but I guess you do have the backup of the psychology of it pushing in this direction, then people trying to back that up. You could kind of see like a triple top here on a minute chart, and so yeah, it's gonna be a downtrend and go for that buy. All right, we kind of have a rule of not taking wicks, but yeah. Overall trend should just be up here. This could be a really bad thing here. Let's see if we could get even better entry here. So our signal bars is green bar here, but I'm trying to get a much better entry here. But this is the last trade nonetheless, so. Yeah, that was a sell. Your scalp's right there. Damn. My computer just died on me. Swing high first entry. How the hell did that happen? So. Could be a downtrend, but I can't see it. This is definitely the last trade of the day if we get, especially if we get stopped out. But as you can see, it's a swing high first entry. Second entry is right here. Not the greatest setup. For some reason, my keyboard and mouse died. Like everything just died on me. Alright, good minimization nonetheless. I think it's time for a PC, boys. This thing can't handle. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Could also get the sell here in the swing low first entry. Yeah, we probably could have gotten to that. Probably still can. Because this scalp's a little bit further. But now we got a swing high first entry. Swing high first entry. Man, I keep looking away from the screen. Looks like it's going to be an overall uptrend. Could potentially go for a sell here. Somewhere here. Alright. And I gotta go to the bed. If it pushes down over here, we'll go ahead and minimize our stop. Alright, good minimization nonetheless. Let's go. We got a double top, first entry, second entry. Looks like overall trend's just gonna be down. Yeah, I have to go for that weird entry we usually do. The double top, first entry, second entry. Looks like overall trend's just gonna be down unless we hit these lows, or at least get close to it. Then it could be an overall uptrend where people could be trying to correct the spike, but this was a correction of this. This was a correction of this. So could just be an overall downtrend. Go for the buy here. Alright, well, in these lows, have this entire day on their side. So I think it's actually going to be a downtrend. Once it triggers, we'll go ahead and put our order in below this guy. So we get in, we get in. Could be up as well. But you have the entire day on your side. So that's the only thing. So we'll wait for the trigger and then we'll go ahead and execute our order. Alright, so we're breaking below this level here, it looks like. Alright, we really passed it. Now we gotta think about, do we continue it? I think we continue. That was our old strategy. We stick to that strategy. Let's continue this spike because I think people might be trying to correct this. So entry is gonna be at 25. No, 50. Ooh, we were pretty close to getting into that trade. And this won't be the last trade of the day. We could sell on this low, but it's kind of a weird looking setup. We'll stick here though. It's also the low of the day, but we're not continuing. Good job. Okay, cool. So, gonna get in that trade. We could probably take the next one. Or we could call it a day. We'll take the next one. Actually, yeah, well, I would have been at 20% or anything. That's why we leave our orders where they're supposed to be. So we do support versus resistance. Which one's winning? What has the overall... Wait a minute. Hello? I'm stuck. Huh. Oh, it disconnected. Okay, well, as long as you can hear me. Interesting. Yeah, for some reason my laptop's starting to take a toll now. I should probably clean it after this. Get all the dust out of that little corner. Alright. Here we go. Can we get this trade? So, it's going to be resistance versus support. Which one is winning? In this case, it looks like both is winning, but then you have the entire day on the downside here. So, could be a downtrend. Potentially. Now we're getting this like little double test here versus this like test here, This does have a little bit more test, but you have the entire day on its side, which I think wins over. So yeah, let's go for this sell. Second entries I liked. I think we're gonna go ahead and start doing the better entry sort of thing. We'll wait for the trigger and then place a limit order. And there's the trigger. Ooh, no trigger yet. You want it to pass more than one tick, at least two. Alright, there it is. Now there's the entry. Good. Leave it at this guy. Save ourselves a couple ticks here. Wait, overall trend is down. Why do we sell? I'm an idiot. Actual idiot. Okay, big moves up. Wait a minute. Alright, this has way more volatility. Okay. Looks like it's gonna be a swing high first entry. Overall trend could be up. I think it's up. Could be a double top. Could be. Let's draw a trend line. Kind of broke it, so we're suspecting a new high. So could be a downtrend. Psychology. There's a double bottom here versus this double bottom. So kind of the same thing. You have been on the strong uptrend all day. But now we got a huge break in this direction. Overall trend could potentially be down here. We'll go ahead and do our weird entry. Could be down because we have been on this downtrend all day, and you have a double top here, so I'm sitting as a double bottom. Could be trying to correct this entire move here. But that little break to a new high is another thing that's on my mind for this trade. Even though we're not technically supposed to draw the trend lines here. Yeah, it's definitely not a trend line. So it could be a double top, declaring an overall downtrend here. You had this like triple bottom. That was your last support, really. The wicks here is what's really helping us decide this double top here. Could maybe just not be an overall downtrend. Maybe it is still an uptrend. In order for that psychology to be correct is that people might be trying to correct this entire day here. But there's nothing here to really give you a reason to go long, except for these lows way back over here. So, but now that we're pushing down in this direction, it's a little worrisome, because now we could probably get a bunch of longs going here. And it's that W shape, so maybe it might be an overall uptrend. The only thing declaring the downtrend is a day. Okay, we have to decide now. We're gonna say downtrend. And we're gonna stick to it. You okay, Stella? Yes. Yes. Oh no. Let's go. Wow, we should have kept the runner going. I think go ahead and call it a day, maybe. Maybe we'll keep on trading. Let's go for 70. We could potentially take one more trade. How many trades did we take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's really like $30 a profit. Let's do a quick calculation. 9 times 142. 1278. So oh, $40 profit. That's not too bad. Getting close to 11 o'clock. Maybe we could take one more trade. So good read. That's a clean double top, because I can imagine us getting stopped out trying to go for a sell and be like, oh, I guess that's a double top. But yeah, that's a clear double top. You have that wick and then the test right to the where those bodies closed. Candles close right there at the top of that body. So that's going to be a downtrend. Plus you have the overall trend on your side, the overall day on your side, I should say. Ever since 8 o'clock or market opening, you've been on the strong, massive downtrend. So people are trying to continue that. We'll go for that. Bye. Good trade. Alright, we got a second entry here. Swing high, first entry. This is working its way down. Could be a double bottom here. Kind of a triple bottom or a potential uptrend here. Yeah. There's not really any resistance on the other hand here, so this could most definitely be an uptrend here. So we could probably just slap order in right now. Alright, keep pushing lower here. Could still be considered an uptrend here, but we keep on breaking lower. There's more support here than there is resistance. But of course, need to push up a little bit more. See where that bar closed, kind of exactly where this guy is. Kind of see that double bottom here, if it wasn't for that candle. I like it because you have that third test here, kind of backing it up. Alright, getting close. Alright, we're here. The opposing side absolutely has no level of resistance that you can clearly see. The only thing it has for it going, that's going for it is the downside, which is the entire day of the market, but it's kind of irrelevant if, you know, people are still trying to correct this entire thing, especially with this, people going in both directions here. Go ahead and minimize as much. Nice. Let's Let's go. Big goals. Let's go. It's more than our goal. Oh yeah. Good trading today. Peace out.